TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Create new agreements based on respect and love. Take your responsibility and make new agreements with those you love. If an agreement doesn't work, change the agreement and create a new one. Use your imagination to explore all the possibilities. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close up 230, NASDAQ up 100, S&P's up 31. Big moves out here, folks. We had been down 2% pre-market out here. You end up being up up 1% in the Dow, 1.3% in the S&Ps, and 1.4% in the NASDAQ composite. Gold contract flat, $1,337 an ounce. Silver, $16.28. Let's go over to the silver market. So what gold had done, folks, gold got higher, didn't hold price, had volume behind the move, however. Silver was a different animal all day long. Silver never was positive, had gone down. We hit $16.22. You've done 95,000 contracts. Now, this is a little problem inside the metals market. The bottom of the range that we've been in is $16.15 to $16.10, and you're at $16.28. You had an expansion of volume, so your probability goes pretty high that we're actually going to come into that, and more than likely we're going to come into that level tomorrow. We have jobs numbers on Friday, which, you know, bottom line, that's going to keep volatility in the marketplace. We certainly have volatility. This is a big bounce. You had window dressing, all of the above, but bottom line, from highs to low, this is impressive. Now, when we take a look at, I'm going to go right from there to the dollar index, and this is why. When we take a look at the dollar index, what you're going to see is this. We have been at this level now for, this is the 6th trading day. On the 28th of March, we went from 88,895 to 89,920. You did that with wide price spread. We did it with volume. That setup right there is saying that, hey, guess what? That wants to test the high of March 1st. That's 90.490. That being said, you're dying on the vine up here. You know, when you get a sign of strength like this, bottom line, you normally would test it. So the first couple of days of the test, not a big deal. Volume was dying, but not a big deal. 5 days later, it's a big deal. And what we did do out here, and it's subtle, but you closed underneath it. We got to 89,570, 895, which got over the high of the strength, closed underneath it again, volume dropped off again. The way that is set up, your probability is getting lower that we're actually going to go test this high. And if that's what we get, then we're going to be able to basically get traction going inside the metals market. You know, there's no doubt that when we do take a look at the gold contract, you know, it's had nice, you know, traction. The bottom line is that December we're at 1247, you're at 1337. You've been in this consolidation since we went topside on January 12th. Decent consolidation. If we take a look at the actual equities, the equities are set up nice. The GDX. So if we take a look at the GDX came down today, actually sideways move, down 4 cents, $21.87. Anemic volume. You're talking about 21 million shares. You're going into 37 million, you're going into 57 million, you're going into 77 million. That's how you like to see things pull back. Bottom line, that's saying that wants higher price. If we look at the XAU, we won't have the volume inside the XAU to tonight. That pulled back 38 cents, $80.84. And the gold bugs index would be the one that you really want to keep your eye on, because the gold bugs index has got into the lower level a few different times in the last month. That lower level is 174.19. We didn't hit it today, but we're right next to it at 175.46. Some of the higher volume stocks out here, and this is a low volume market out here today. If we take a look at the high volume stocks inside the S&P, what you have Micron Tech was up $1.84. Microsoft was up $2.62. Apple was up $3.22. If we do take a look at Apple, what you're going to see, pretty impressive. Apple was down this morning. Apple moved approximately 10 points, I believe. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, we moved from, we moved 8 points, 164 to 172. Lennar came out with numbers this morning, impressive numbers, big buying inside Lennar. Lennar was up it was up 9%, $5.73. You had price spread, you had volume, all of the above. Lennar's trading now at $62.82, and that does give it a shot to get up into the last high that was out here, which is $72.17. If we do go take a look at Lennar and see what Lennar's been doing, Lennar's been basically building cars to get up and over its high from 2005. So that in itself was pretty impressive. There are a couple, there's one stock in particular. I think it's MDC Holdings. Is it? No, it wouldn't be MDC. Let me see. It's, it's NRV. This is NVR. It would NVR. This equity is way over. This is it's trading at $3,126. This equity here, what this equity actually had done, folks, is that it bought many of the small, mid-sized home builders. And it bought those at the right time, meaning when things were downtown in a huge way. And this is, you talk about over your 2005 highs. 2005 highs was $940. This equity is out at $3,126. Monster number. And if we take a look inside of this just for a second. Yeah, you get BlackRock. Well, the ETFs, they own 10% of it. Vanguard owns 9. State Street owns 4. Wellington, Wellington's in there with 3.5. Fidelity's in with 2.5. Fidelity's a seller, though. Stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. 877-927-6648. Had the Dow finish up 230. NASDAQ up 100. S&P's up 34. Coming right back.